Welcome to Motor Mania, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive reviews, the latest industry insights, and expert opinions on everything that drives the world forward. Whether you're a passionate car enthusiast, a first-time buyer, or someone who simply appreciates fine engineering, Motor Mania delivers content that keeps you informed and inspired. Today, we turn our focus to the Suzuki Swift 2023. A car that has continuously impressed in the hatchback segment with its balanced design, advanced features, and efficient performance. The Suzuki Swift 2023 maintains its reputation as a compact hatchback that offers a refreshing mix of style, practicality, and affordability. From the first glance, it is clear that Suzuki has refined the exterior with subtle yet impactful enhancements. The sporty front grille, redesigned LED headlamps, and sculpted lines give the car a dynamic and youthful character. Its compact proportions remain perfect for urban driving, while the updated alloy wheels and slightly tweaked bumpers offer a modern edge that distinguishes it from its predecessors. Inside the cabin, the Suzuki Swift 2023 provides a surprisingly spacious and comfortable environment. The interior layout is intuitive, featuring a driver-focused dashboard with a flat-bottom steering wheel and neatly integrated infotainment system. The use of improved materials and a more cohesive color scheme enhances the overall feel of the interior. The seats are well cushioned, offering decent support for both short city drives and longer journeys. Rear legroom is adequate for the segment, and the 265-liter boot space remains functional for everyday use. In terms of technology, Suzuki has equipped the Swift 2023 with a range of features that cater to modern-day drivers. The center console hosts a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, steering-mounted controls, and USB charging ports add to the convenience. The digital analog instrument cluster provides vital information with a crisp and vibrant display, while automatic climate control and keyless entry offer an extra layer of comfort and ease. Under the hood, the 2023 Swift continues with the tried and tested 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine, producing around 89 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. This engine, paired with either a 5-speed manual or an AMT gearbox, delivers a smooth and responsive drive that suits both city and highway conditions. The car's lightweight chassis, combined with efficient power delivery, ensures nimble handling and respectable fuel economy, averaging around 22 to 24 kN/L, depending on the variant and driving conditions. Safety has also received attention in this model with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and electronic stability control offered as standard in most trims. Some variants may also include hill hold assist and a rear-view camera. These features contribute to the Swift's overall appeal as a safe and reliable vehicle, especially for young drivers and small families. Overall, the Suzuki Swift 2023 builds upon the strengths of its previous generations with thoughtful updates and user-friendly enhancements. It remains a strong contender in the hatchback category, delivering value, style, and dependability in a single compact package. Thank you for watching this review by Motor Mania. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest car reviews, industry news, and automotive features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps Motor Mania in motion.